My name's Jeremy Bloor. We're here at the OXO Tower restaurant in the South Bank in London. The style of the food is, I'd say, British. We do about 100 for lunch, between 200 and 250 for dinner. Frima, when we went to Excel, the restaurant show, that's when we first saw it, and then we went to get a little bit more in-depth training. And from then on we just realised that that's a piece of equipment that we wanted and we could use to make the restaurant and the cooking technique better and a bit more economical in terms of energy consumption. First and foremost, with regards to the kitchen, was to take the heat out of the kitchen, give everybody a bit more of a nicer working environment, more well-being, not working in 40-degree heat. Yeah, that was the main thing for me. Just having the versatility of the Frima as a piece of cooking equipment in the kitchen. We can use it as sous vide, we can use it to make stocks, we can use it as a plancher, we can use it as a steamer, we can cook the sirloin at Sunday lunch in it, we can do our oxtail in it. Just one of the beauties of it, where we can use it overnight and feel quite safe in the fact that it's on during the night. But once it's under pressure, the lid's down, it's quite safe. And then when we come in the morning, decompressurize the unit, open up the lid, pass the stock and then reduce it, ready to make the day's sauces. Consistency is one of the main words that we use almost every day in this kitchen and restaurant, and stocks that we get out of there, the recipe doesn't change, it's exactly the same every day. We get 12 litres of reduced veal stock, and then that goes on as the foundation to make our sauces for the day and the week. Originally I thought it was going to be quite difficult for them to use, but actually when you look at the functionality of the Frima unit, they just adapted so easily to it, and everybody uses it daily in the kitchen. One of the functions that we use mainly on a Friday and Saturday night is a function called a la carte. When you open the lid up, you can actually use it almost like a flat top, like a plancher, and it's got a timer for each separate part of the flat top. So if you use it for cooking steaks, one steak takes 3 minutes on each side, then you can set the timer for that individual part of the flat top, which we've been using to great effect. And if I ever had the opportunity to be involved in the design of another kitchen, I think the first piece of equipment on the team sheet would be a Frima unit, for sure.